Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit Google Forms after submit. So actually, Google Forms doesn't allow users to edit their responses directly by default after submission unless the form creator has enabled the edit after submit feature. And this is how you can edit your response after submit. As you guys can see here, I've already submit my response, but then I want to correct something. So if the creator allow editing, there will be this shown, edit your response. So what you need to do is just click on this edit your response, and then you can now just edit the forms to how you like it. For example, you want to correct the answer, you can just do so by choosing the right answer for you. After that, after you finish, you can now just scroll down and tap on submit again. So now the new responses that you've been added has been submitted. And that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like, leave a comment if you still have a question. And also don't forget to click on the thanks and subscribe. Bye.